I'm thrilled to be at HMI with our partners. We are transforming factory operations with Microsoft AI-powered digital twins, analytics, and automation. Take a look.
Unlock the potential of generative AI with ABB Genix Copilot, powered by Microsoft Azure OpenAI, enabling leaner and cleaner industries, driving real-time insights from shop floor to boardroom.
Microsoft's AI agents and analytics solutions for manufacturing enable Accenture and Avanade to help clients like Chevrolet and Bridgestone improve factory production performance and enhance worker efficiency.
Litmus and Microsoft help global companies securely harness industrial data at scale, integrating Litmus Edge with Microsoft Azure IoT operations to accelerate AI and enable OEE, asset monitoring, and predictive maintenance.
We're excited to showcase Emulate 3D, our factory-scale digital twin platform running on Microsoft Azure, accelerating time to value for manufacturers with world-class visualization and scalability.
Built on Microsoft Fabric, Site Machine revolutionizes plant operations with real-time data streaming and AI-driven insights, optimizing productivity, workflows, and supply chain efficiency at scale.
We are thrilled that Iris Foundry is extending AI securely to the edge with Microsoft Azure IoT operations, unlocking efficient and AI-powered industrial manufacturing.
Tulip leverages Microsoft Fabric to securely unify manufacturing data, enabling real-time insights, streamlined operations, and enterprise-wide visibility, driving smarter, safer decisions with a human-centric approach.